Yeah, good day everyone. This is Nnamdi Azikiwe International Airport, Abuja. We got to the airport around 7 a.m. this morning to find out that all flight activities have been put on hold. Everywhere is on lockdown. Although those are the gates, as in those are the toll gates by the airport, they still collected their monies, the 300 naira per vehicle. So we thought that Abuja flights were still ongoing, and even the airline that I booked from Abuja to Asaba this morning, they sent me an SMS this morning to remind me that the flight will still be taking off, only for us to get into the airport and we saw that everywhere is on total lockdown. So NLC strike is in full effect here in Abuja International Airport. So many people are still hoping that with time that they might allow some people to travel, which I doubt, because they even put their flag. NLC put their flag by the entrance, by the door entrance. So, and according to what we heard, that the international flights have been given 24 hours to round up any incoming or outgoing flights. So for now, local flights, for my understanding, local flights